Hello, we are expressing fractions in decimal form. So I have a fraction, 6/8, and I'm going to write it as a decimal. Now, first of all, 6/8 is 6 divided by 8, and that's all I'm going to do to convert it to a decimal. I'm going to do that division. So I get my handy dandy calculator and do 6 divided by 8. All right, you could also use long division, right? 8 goes into 6 and doesn't go into 6, but it goes into 60, so put a decimal, pop a 0 on the end of that. And that is going to go in 7 times and then 7 times. Anyway, you know how to do long division. And in the end, you're going to get 0.75. All right, so that's your answer. And if you're using the computer, you can just click on here and copy that and paste it in there. And there's your answer. Ta-da! So 4 divided by 5, like 40 divided by 5 is 8. So 4 divided by 5 is 0.8. So 0.8, like that. So that's all you have to do is divide, right? 1 divided by 2, 0.5. Okay, but I like to put 0.5. If you just put 0.5, the computer would say it's fine. 4 divided by 5, oh, we just already saw that one, so 0.8. There's a few repeats every once in a while. 5 divided by 8. I don't know. So what is 5 divided by 8? It's going to be 6.625 or something like that. Let's try it out. So 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. I wonder where I heard that before. Copy that and paste it. Okay, very, very easy. So this is 2 and 4/8. All right, so which means 2 plus 4/8. So we can do the 4/8 and then add the 2. You can do it that way, or you can just plug the whole thing into the calculator. So 4 divided by 8 is a half, is 0.5, right? And 0.5 plus 2 is 2.5. Or you can do 2 plus 4 divided by 8, which is 0.5. Order of operations would take care of that, so 2.5. I'm not going to use the calculator on that, but 2.5, there you go. 2 and 3/7. Okay, so 2 plus 3 divided by 7, which is going to be like 4.42, I don't know, it's going to be something repeating. It's going to be something awful. So what I'm going to do, using the calculator, is 2 added to 3/7, 3 divided by 7. Okay, so 2 plus 2 and 3/7 is 2 plus 3 divided by 7, which is 2.428574142. Okay, it was even worse than I was suggesting. All right, so copy that and then paste it in here. Now you can enter the whole thing, right, and it'll say you're right, but you could also round this to, let's say, 4 or 5 decimal places. So round, and don't just chop things off, because if you chop off too much, it'll say you're wrong, okay? But round, don't just chop off, but round. And there we go. 9/11, 9 divided by 11. That's going to be another repeating decimal of frightful proportions. So 9 divided by 11. And that's going to give us 0.81818181. Okay? Copy. Paste. And if you just entered that, it would say it's fine, but you can round. Okay? 4 and 4/6, which is 4 and 2/3. Just do 4 plus 4 divided by 6, or 4 plus 2 divided by 3. Same thing, right? And 2/3 is 0.6 repeating. So this is going to be 4.6 repeating, by the way. So 4 plus 4 divided by 6 is 4.6 repeating. Okay? And you have to realize your calculator is putting a 7 here because it's rounding. Okay? So if you were to round to this point, okay, you would just say, okay, so this 6, that 6, this one right here, tells this one to become a 7. So it's rounding. And there we are, 2/9. Anything divided by 9 is itself repeating, right? So 2/9 is going to be 0.2 repeating. So 0.2. If you had 3/9, it would be 0.3 repeating. If you had 4/9, it would be 0.4 repeating. If you had 5/9, it would be 0.5 repeating. Okay. Here's 3 and 29/80, which is fun. So I'm just going to do 3 and 29 divided by 80. And that's it. Okay, so 3.3625, and then press enter, or press the enter button on your computer. If you're using the iPad, you can totally answer just using these buttons, by the way. All right, and that's it for expressing fractions as decimals. Have a good day.